Welcome to Spyder Auto. Today we're making a headlight installation video for years 2009 to 2018 Dodge Ram. Tools needed for this install is a 1/4 inch ratchet, 10mm socket, panel popper, pliers, cutters, crimpers, electrical tape, T-tap connectors, and a multimeter. Now let's get started. Moving to the front passenger side wheel, we're gonna access this cover here. Go ahead and unclip it, open it up, and then inside you're gonna reach over and you're gonna unlatch the back of the headlight assembly. Next, we're gonna open up the hood. After that, using your panel popper, we're gonna unclip the radiator shroud. We have 1, 2, 3, and 4 push pins. Going to set the shroud aside. Next step, we're going to remove the grill. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 10mm bolts. After that, we're going to unclip the grill. Go ahead and unclip it on this side and then on this side. Carefully set your grill aside. Now that we have access to the headlight, we're going to remove 2 10mm bolts. We got one here and one on top. Next, we're going to carefully unseat the headlight. Behind the headlight, there's a ball joint lodged into the fender. So just going to grab the headlight firmly and pull it straight back. From here, using your panel popper, we're going to unclip the harness. Next, we're going to disconnect the parking turn signal bulb. Go ahead and turn it counterclockwise. And then we're going to disconnect the high beam, low beam. Going to slide back the gray clip to unlock it. Press on the tab, disconnect. Go ahead and bring over your Spyder headlight. Turn it over to the back. Now, just a ball joint right here that falls into the slot. And then this piece here falls into this square right here. Pulling it down, locks it. Pulling it up, unlocks it. Okay, next, we're gonna grab the turn signal bulb. Be sure to inspect the rubber gasket seal. Make sure it's intact to prevent any moisture. Go ahead and plug that into the headlight. Turn it clockwise to lock it. Next, we're gonna connect the high beam, low beam. Make sure it's secure. Slide the gray clip to lock it. Now these 2 wires here, red is positive, black is negative. These power the light bar. So you're gonna have to tap into the parking light wires that are in here. So if you need further instructions on how to T-tap, go ahead and find a link in the description. Now we're gonna plug our positive with the positive wire and the negative with the negative. Now we're ready to seat our headlight. Gonna carefully press the headlight in to drop that ball socket. And then from here, we're gonna latch the back of the headlight. And then close the cover. Next, reinstall your 2 10mm bolts. Now that we're finished with the passenger side, let's repeat the same process to the driver's side. After installing your headlights, go ahead and bring over your grille. Carefully line it up and clip it into place. Next, reinstall the 4 10mm bolts. After that, go ahead and bring over your radiator shroud. And then clip your 4 plastic push pins. And from there, go ahead and close the hood and test the headlight functions.